Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing a clean working file. Make a copy of the original and import a high-resolution WAV into your DAW. Once done, switch to stereo channel view and play a vocal-heavy segment so you can hear the interference you want to remove. Make sure to enable a separate track for processing and label it. This immediate step prevents data loss and sets your session up to apply spectral and phase tools precisely rather than guessing later. Next, isolate the music content using targeted tools. Open a spectral editor and mark recurring instrumental bands, then use a notch EQ or spectral repair to attenuate them. Simultaneously run a vocal isolation model like Splitter or a center channel extractor to separate stems. This gives you a cleaner vocal stem to reference. When applicable, export an instrumental stem and use phase cancellation by inverting and aligning it. This reduces music energy while preserving vocal integrity if timing and phase match. To finish, smooth artifacts and rebalance. Apply mild broadband noise reduction, de-essing for sibilance, and a subtle EQ boost to restore presence. Once done, compare processed vocal against the original across different playback systems and listen for musical remnants at lower volumes. If you hear pumping or hollow timbre, rerun isolation with adjusted parameters or blend a tiny portion of the instrumental back in. One tip: when artifacts appear,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.